Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Yakuras Moments and today we're gonna talk about how you can start your own YouTube channel in 2021, the strategy behind it and the small decision you need to make in order for you to start correctly. This video is a part of a series that I'm making talking about YouTube. On the previous one we talked about how much I get paid in my first paycheck on YouTube, and the other one how you can create your own YouTube account. Both these videos you can find them on my channel, and also I'm gonna put the links in the description below. So as we covered in the previous one on how to create your YouTube account, on this one we're gonna focus about the thinking, the decision and the strategy you need to make in order for you to have a successful channel. Okay, let's pretend that you're a friend of mine that came here for a coffee, so let's have a seat and I'm gonna explain you everything. Okay, so the first thing I would tell you, and this is gonna be the most important step that you will do, and your first step actually, and it's actually the secret of starting a YouTube channel, is to just start. I know it sounds simple, but this is the most important decision that you're gonna make on your YouTube career, your YouTube thing, okay? So start doing, start implementing, because you're never gonna feel ready, you're never gonna be ready. Start doing and you're gonna learn by doing. I definitely understand that making videos sounds scary in the beginning. You don't know how everything works, you don't even know how your camera setting works, and you're also worried about what people will say about that. But if you really want to do it, starting is the best decision you're gonna ever make, and by putting your first video, I guarantee after it feels much more easy. And because on YouTube there is so many things that you need to learn and understand. You need to learn how to make videos, you need to learn how to use the camera, you need to learn how to edit videos, you need to learn about the lighting, you need to learn about the sound, you need to learn about the thumbnails like Photoshop and other programs that you will use. You need to learn about tags, you need to learn about description, you need to learn about so much other things that I cannot remember right now. So the only way that you can learn it is by doing. So doing mistake, it's okay, because this is how you learn. Alright, and let's go to the next step, and here you need to decide what videos would you like to make. Okay, here is fine to follow the first step first, to just start, make some mistakes and learn from them, and see what videos would you like to make and what do you like. But if you stay too long all over the place and make whatever videos, I'm speaking from experience here, this will harm your channel and will not let you grow. When you're gonna be choosing what videos would you like to make, it's definitely 100% better if you choose something that is your passion. So ask yourself that question: what videos would you be passionate about making? Because if you don't like the videos that you're making, most probably you're gonna quit after some time. So make sure to pick up a topic or a niche of videos that you're gonna be making, that you're gonna be love doing it even every day. Here a good advice will be, if you can niche down, then do it. This way people gonna know you for that specific topic that your videos are about, and if they're interested about that topic, most probably they're gonna subscribe also to your channel. A good example here is the channel that we created on the previous video when I was teaching you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch, how to create your account, and we make a channel, the name was Vegan Sweet Recipes, okay? So this channel gonna make videos, for example, about only vegan sweets, right? So vegan people who like sweets gonna find the videos, and if the videos are okay and they like the videos and they like the personality and everything, and they like recipes of course, most probably there's a big potential there for these people to subscribe to this channel, because it makes vegan sweet, and this is exactly what they're looking for. So this channel have the potential to grow with big audience of people that are vegan and they like sweets. So these people are gonna become big fans of the channel, they're gonna be loyal to every video, let's say, right, if they like the sweets that I'm making on this channel. And this channel have a lot of growth potential with this specific audience, okay? And these people are gonna subscribe definitely to the channel, because this is exactly what are they looking for. So this channel cannot post recipes about cooking chicken, about cooking steak, because immediately all these vegan people will unsubscribe, right? So this is a specific niche channel. So that was a good example for that channel. Alright, so let's say now about a bad example. Bad example is my channel. Unfortunately, yes, I have tried every kind of video. I started with vlogs, with travels, with product reviews, with camera reviews, lenses reviews. In quarantine, on lockdown, I made videos about cooking even, about workout. So, and now I'm talking about YouTube. So this is definitely a bad example of a niche down. So as you see, I'm speaking from experience here, but also don't be too hard on niching down, because if you go too hard on that, after maybe there's not much content on that specific topic. If you go too hard down, maybe after, when you want to expand your videos or talk about something else, it will be so difficult. You have to change your name, you have to change your branding, you have to change everything. So try to niche down, but in a not so hard, right? And of course, if you find a niche and also you're passionate about that kind of topic, I think this is a perfect combination. Next big decision is to select the name of your channel. The name, actually you can change it anytime, but if you want to grow on YouTube and build your brand, then definitely you need to choose a good one that people will recognize and remember. Going with your name is a good choice, or you can select a name based on the content you are making. Again, as a beginner, don't stress about the name so much. There are so many creators that change the name after they figure out what they want to do, okay? So pick up a name and after you can rebrand your channel. Alright, at this stage we know what videos we want to make, we have named our channel, and we start posting our first videos. So what now? And here you need to just follow the same process. Make videos, edit them, post them. Make videos, edit them, post them. Make videos, edit them, post them. Forever. And this is the secret of YouTube, and it's called consistency. As long as you're making videos, your channel will grow. Every video that you're making gonna bring you new subscribers and more views. But the key here is to stay consistent, and posting I will recommend once or twice a week. Make a plan and a schedule of when you make videos and how often do you upload, and stick to it. A good tip here is to write on a paper the video titles that you want to make this month, and 1-2 days before you make the video you can prepare the script, or you can think about what exactly you want to say on this video, so you don't wake up and say, oh, what video should I make today? So yeah, consistency is the key here, and if you can upload the same day every week, then your audience gonna know when you're gonna upload your next video. Alright guys, and the next tip or the next step is that gear doesn't matter. I put on the side here all my cameras that I have here and the lights and everything, and I'm recording with my phone, okay? I have the window here behind me for lighting, alright? And I don't care actually, because if you really wanna start, you just start with what you have. Of course, on the process, when you become better and you see some results, and first of all, you check that this is something that you wanna do YouTube, right? So that's why I'm saying first start, see if you like it. If you like it, then invest. You don't need to invest in the beginning and after maybe it's something that you don't want to continue, right? So try it out, see how it works with what you have. What gear do you have with your phone, for example, with the lighting from the window or whatever you have, and after start investing on your gear. First thing, if you want to take something, will be definitely your microphone. Oh, sorry. Here it is. So a good microphone is 10 times better than having a good camera and bad sound, okay? So invest on the microphone first, but of course at the beginning, just start doing. Alright, and here a small comparison from the DSLR that I was using and my phone camera here. So I want you to see that the difference is not so big, okay? Maybe the sound with this microphone is much better with the DSLR right now, but when I go back to the phone, the difference is not so big and it's still okay. So this is not a good excuse for you not starting out, okay? So forget about this excuse and just use what gear do you have. Alright, next step or tip is give it some time. As you know, YouTube is not a sprint, it's a marathon, so don't expect immediate results after posting 1, 2, 3, even 50 videos sometimes, right? Most of the creators out there, they took them like 2, 3, maybe 5 years to see some first result. For me, it took 2 years to reach 1,000 subscribers, okay? And I'm still trying to figure out what kind of videos should I make, how should I make my thumbnails, how should I make my titles. So it's a big learning process there. It will take actually a lot of time until you figure out everything, okay? So don't rush, keep learning, keep posting, be consistent, and slowly you're gonna make it. Okay, and last but not least, you need to understand, if you haven't started yet your own YouTube channel, you are the one that's holding you back, okay? People don't care about you. Nobody cares about you, because we as people, we usually think that we are in the center of the world, and if we start making YouTube videos, we start something, people gonna judge us, people will start saying things about us, right? So this is how we, or everybody think like that, right? When I was starting, I had the same feeling. I was saying, oh my god, what my friends gonna say? They're gonna judge me, they're gonna say, what are you doing? I'm gonna be embarrassed and things like that. At the end, guys, I just post everything on my Facebook. Everybody saw my face on YouTube. My first video was awful. It was really, it was very bad. So I just post it, I get over it, and I don't care. Until now, I don't care. If even I make a mistake here on the camera, I don't care. Sometimes I even leave my mistakes here. Sometimes I edit them, sometimes not. But you need to get over yourself. Punch the perfectionist in the nose, not in the face, in the nose. You need to get hurt. So you don't need to be perfect here on YouTube. There are gonna be mistakes. There are gonna be bad comments, gonna be good comments about your videos, but you don't need to care about that. Your job is what you love. You love to make videos, so you have an idea, you make it a nice video, and you post it with the correct crafts, titles, and thumbnails. This is your job. This is what you love to do, right? If you do, then you do it. If you don't, then you don't do it. But if you want to do it, guys, you need to get over it. You need to get over what other people will think about your channel, will think about you. So get confident in the camera, and the only way to see if you can do it and to do it is to just do it at the end. The first step is the most important, and I told you, okay? So guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if somebody will start a YouTube channel after watching these videos, write me in the comment section below. I will really appreciate if somebody say, oh man, after your video, I started a YouTube channel, you helped me. This is gonna be the best, the best what I can get, from that, okay? The best pleasure I can get from that by helping someone with this video, because I was struggling for 2 years not starting my YouTube channel, okay? I know it's hard. I know it's hard in the beginning. So that was the video. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, most probably, all right? I'm gonna see you in the next one.